Hi friends, I welcome you to the IAS Kannada Vahini. As usual, today's question on environment continues, that is in the KS Preliminary 2020 section. So the today's question is about like ozone. We are given the three specific statements about the ozone. First one, Dobbs unit is commonly used to measure the concentration of ozone. Second, ozone is a pollutant produced by photochemical reactions involving sunlight in the atmosphere. Third, ultraviolet C has the shortest wavelength and is the most energetic of ultraviolet radiation. These are the three specific statements, and you are supposed to find out the answer which of the above statements are correct. So we will analyze each statement. As you know, it is a common that all of us know that ozone layer is the most important layer in the stratosphere, which protects the living organisms on the Earth's surface by absorbing the ultraviolet radiation. Then ultraviolet radiation, that is also divided into three types: ultraviolet A, ultraviolet B, and ultraviolet C. So this is what we call like the three types of ultraviolet radiation. Suppose if stratosphere is absent, then the ultraviolet radiation along with the sunlight would have entered the earth in a full scale and would have caused the heavy destruction of the atmosphere uh, on the human beings or animals, etc., including like some skin cancer, etc. But fortunately we have been protected by these you can say like ozone layer. That ozone concentration is actually measured in terms of Dobson unit. So definitely Dobson unit is the, you can say like kind of commonly used to measure the concentration of ozone. One Dobson unit is equivalent to the concentration of 1 ppbO3, means 1 parts per billion O3. O3 means triatomic oxygen. O2 is a diatomic oxygen. Diatomic oxygen is commonly found in, that is in the atmosphere, whereas O3 is the ozone layer, that is the bottom part of the stratosphere contains the, you can say like O3, that is stratosphere. Then second statement, ozone is a pollutant produced by the photochemical reactions involving with the sunlight in the atmosphere. That is correct, because ozone is pollutant, subatomic pollutant, subpollutant, that is in the atmosphere, that is in the bottom layer of the atmosphere. It reacts with the photochemical aspects and it produces some kind of, you can say like kind of pollutant. So second is also correct, first one is also correct. Third one is ultraviolet C has the shortest wavelength and is the most energetic of ultraviolet radiation is. That is also correct. The reason is the ultraviolet radiation consists of wavelengths between 0.1 to 0.4 mm and is further subdivided into ultraviolet A, ultraviolet B, and ultraviolet C. Ultraviolet C has the shortest wavelength and is also most energetic of all ultraviolet radiation. So it is none of the rays actually ultraviolet C or UVC will not reach the earth. Therefore that statement is also correct. So if we analyze all these things, first statement is correct, second statement is correct, third statement is also correct. So in the given options it is C, 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Then what is ozone shield? Ozone shield is nothing but ozone layer in the stratosphere, nothing but the another name for the ozone layer. So ozone shield is same as ozone layer.